Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Simplified with Ananya. I am Ananya and today's video is about pronouns. As we all know, pronouns are words that can be used instead of a noun. Why do we use pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used to take the place of nouns in sentences. They usually refer back to a noun used earlier in the sentence, and they must match the number, point of view and gender of the noun. We use pronouns to make sentences clearer, less awkward and smoother. For example, I have a puppy named Fluffy. Fluffy is black with a pink nose. Fluffy likes to eat bread. Fluffy is very cute. We can write the above sentences like, I have a puppy named Fluffy. He is black with a pink nose. He likes to eat bread. He is very cute. In the above sentences, the noun Fluffy is repeatedly used several times. To avoid the repetition of same nouns again and again, we use pronouns. There are many types of pronouns. For example, personal pronouns. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. For example, I, you, he, she, it, they, we, you, they. Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. For example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. This we can also write it like, this pen is mine, not yours. There are many examples given for various possessive pronouns. For example, mine. This is my laptop, not it's mine. Yours. These glasses are mine, not yours. His. This is my brother's book, it's his. Hers. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Ours. I will show you to your room. Ours is next door. Yours. This house is yours. Theirs. This ship is theirs. Possessive pronouns show who is the owner of an object and replace the object. I have a red car. It is mine. For example, those are my conserve sneakers. They are not your conserve sneakers. Those are my conserve sneakers. They are not yours. I didn't have my textbook for English class, so Brian lent me his textbook. I didn't have my textbook for English class, so Brian lent me his. Generally, you will use pronouns to talk about a person, place, thing that has already been explained. In the examples above, you can see that each sentiment was neatly expressed in fewer words with a strong possessive pronouns. Here is a list of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, which you can take a screenshot of. Reflexive pronouns. As you can see, there is a beautiful picture that shows that explains the reflexive pronouns. A mirror shows a reflection. Reflexive pronouns show back to the pronoun. For example, her, herself, him, himself, me, myself, you, yourself, ourself. A reflexive pronoun is usually used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject, as you will see below. Correct, I cut myself. Incorrect, I cut me. Each personal pronoun, I, you, she, has its own reflexive form. You can take the screenshot of the below screen. Note, Reflexive pronouns are used in three situations. When reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same. The cat licked itself. Reflexive pronouns are used as the object of a preposition when the subject and object are the same. I sometimes talk to myself. Reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize the topic. We will clean the room ourselves. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns take the place of nouns or pronouns. They are called relative pronouns because they always relate back to something or someone else. They are used to join two sentences about the same person or thing. For example, who, whose, whom, which. Usage. Replace the subject. For who, the uses are replace the subject pronouns I, she, he and we. For example, this is the man who broke the window. Whose. Show possession or relationship. She knew the family whose house we bought. Whom. Replace the object pronouns me, her, him, us and them. They have found the lady whom they want to interview. Which. Clauses that begin with which are almost always non-restrictive. My precious blue lamp which was in the room was broken. That. Clauses that begin with that are almost always restrictive clauses. The lamp that was broken in the house. The lamp that was in the house was broken. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. There are only 4 in number: this, that, these and those. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. These and those, however, are plural demonstrative pronouns. They can also be used to show an unspecified quantity in a sentence. Thank you and have a nice day, and don't forget to watch my other video about nouns, and because you will get more clarification from that video about nouns. Thank you and have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends if you found it informative.